Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by confirming basic prerequisites. Check iPhone, iOS, and Apple Watch compatibility, and enable Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. Once done, power on the watch by holding the side button. Keep it next to your iPhone. You will see a pairing animation on the watch. Open the watch app on your iPhone and tap Start Pairing. This initiates the secure exchange. It's fast, and it prevents accidental connections. Make sure both devices stay unlocked and on the same network. You'll now complete the more detailed configuration. Select Setup as New or Restore from Backup depending on your needs. Next, sign in with your Apple ID to enable iCloud, health, and activity syncing. Turn on features like location services and Siri for full functionality. During this stage, choose passcode, wrist detection, and Apple Pay if desired. Wait while apps and health data sync. This can take several minutes. Make sure the watch stays charging for a smoother, uninterrupted transfer. You're almost done. Customize watch faces, arrange apps, and set notification preferences so the watch works how you want. Test key functions, make a call, send a message, and check the heart rate sensor to confirm everything syncs correctly. If something fails, the most effective fix is to restart both devices, keep them close, and run the pairing sequence again. Unpair and reset the watch only if problems persist. If issues continue, sign out of iCloud on the iPhone and sign back in before retrying.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.